Yo, what is good, everybody? Today is finally the Hypebeast room tour. I know you guys have been waiting, and so before we actually get into this video, you guys already know we have the sneaker giveaway going on. So, right here is the sneaker. It's an NMD R1 V2. It's dead stock. It's a 9.5, so if it's not your size, you can still sell it on StockX for a good amount of money. So, at the end of the video, click the link in the description to win this sneaker. Okay, so with that out of the way, make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and everyone drop a like on this video because you guys have been waiting a long time, like probably a month for this video. So I'm going to give you like some history basically on my different studios. So if you look over here, there used to be a bunk bed right here where everything is right here, okay? And where I filmed was right here, which is now my bed. And I'll put some pictures of it, but yeah, that's where I filmed. And then it changed to a studio right here. It was kind of boring, but so I got rid of my bunk bed, and then I wanted to make this, and it actually looks really good. It turned out very well, and I still have some stuff that I'm gonna do. Like I really want a rug right here, maybe like an off-white rug or something. Okay, so now that I have the camera, we're gonna basically just start over here. So I got this for my birthday, this and this Supreme bag with the chicken. Okay, the chicken doesn't come with it, but yeah, it's authentic right there. And so this is authentic too. I got both of those for my birthday, and then I have my school bag. So that's basically where I have my backpack, and then the skate deck, which I will probably hang up here somewhere. So we'll get like updates on that. And then I have a mirror. You can see my fit right there. And then as you guys can see, this is basically from my very first video, the Supreme logo that I made out of cardboard. So if you want to go check out my cringy first video, I will put a link in the description for that. And so here's just a bunch of boxes of NMDs and Ultra Boost and stuff like that. And I am going to be selling these right here, the Achilles. They're a size 10. I'm going to be putting them on my eBay account, so there will be a link in the description for that if you are interested in buying those. As you guys can see, here's the whole entire like studio. I know you guys only see like that much in every single video, but yeah, there's actually a lot to it. As you can see, it goes all the way up there, and if you want to learn how to make that, I have a video. I'll put a card. So here I have some hangers that I will switch out the shirts occasionally, but I usually have my Supreme and Lamborghini shirt there, and then an off-white hoodie. And basically this is where I do all my videos. Here's my chair and my desk. And so here's all these shoes over here that you guys see in every single one of my videos. And I have a bunch of Supreme stuff that I need to sell right there, and I need to get some paint on my wall because this is where my bunk bed was. So there's still a lot of stuff that I need to do in my room, and there will be a lot of updates probably in the next year. So I'm really excited to see what this will turn out to be. But this is basically my room right now. Oh, I do have something that's actually like really interesting that a lot of people didn't know that I actually did before this. And so here's a lot of Fortnite weapons that I made out of cardboard. So I made these when Fortnite was cool. Oh, and there's a Yeezy, and I made a car. It's a Ferrari Enzo. And you guys probably do know that I like cars, and so I have a bookshelf over here with a bunch of personal stuff, but the only thing that I'm going to show you guys is the like all of my car collection, basically, like toy cars or model cars. So okay, so it is kind of dusty, but as you can see, I do like a GTR a lot. So I have some that are still in the packaging, and then I have a lot of just like different supercars and stuff. Put in the comments some stuff that I should change about my studio. Like if you guys want to see like changes, little changes like every now and then in like each video, just tell me in the comments below what I should do. I know I already talked about a rug right here. I actually do have another one of these shelves right here that I'll probably put somewhere up there. I will be getting a lot more stuff like within a year, so yeah, I'll probably do like a yearly update on my room, so that'll be fun. But yeah, this is my room as of right now. Okay, so yeah, that's basically gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys liked it, obviously give this video a like. Share it with all your Hypebeast friends, because I really want this video to go viral, so make sure you do the best that you can to help me out. I'm trying to get a lot of watch time. So, yeah, before this video is over, remember to go check out the link in the description to win this pair of sneakers. But yeah, as always, thank you guys for watching.